am here again with a new English session, and I hope you have gone through the video of yesterday's session very carefully because it was an introduction about types of sentences. So giving you a brief of what we have done in the last session, we have discussed about four types of sentences: declarative sentences, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentences. You must be knowing what are the features of these sentences and how we can identify these type of sentences from a group of sentences or a cluster of sentences. So today we'll be focusing on some like details of this chapter, and the first thing I would like to discuss with you is to convert assertive or positive sentence to negative sentence. कि आप किसी भी positive sentence को negative sentence में कैसे change कर सकते हैं, and what are the things you can add, what are those words, and what are the criteria to change a positive sentence to a negative sentence. Okay, so first one is how you can convert positive into negative sentence by adding no. The word no, by adding the word no to the sentence, you can convert a positive sentence to a negative sentence very easily. There are so many examples, like I'm taking the example from your book so that you can just cross check from your book, and I'll be giving some more examples. First one I would like to give is I have money. So this is example from your book. You can cross check it from your book. I have money. It's a positive sentence. मेरे पास money यानी कि पैसे हैं, कुछ cash है, whatever it is. So I have money is a positive sentence. If you want to convert it into negative one, you have to just add the word no to it. And I have, whatever you are having, the thing you are having, you're possessing, जिस चीज़ के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो उससे पहले आपको no add करना है. I have no money. I have no money. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मेरे पास कुछ पैसे नहीं है, बिल्कुल पैसे नहीं है. This sentence basically means that. Okay, I have no money. I have some sugar. I have no sugar left in the jar. Or I have some news for you. I have no news for you. In these cases, basically हमने some की जगह no लगाया है. So you can replace these quantifiers with no, or you can, if there are no quantifiers, उसमें कोई quantifiers नहीं है, तो आप simply you can add no to the before the objects or the thing you are talking about. Okay, this is the first case. Next is if the sentence is having a helping verb. If there is an helping verb अगर है उस sentence में, for example is am, are, was, were. अगर इनमें से कोई helping verb है already sentence में, so what you are going to do is you have to write not, add करना है not after this helping verb. इस helping verb के बाद आप not add करेंगे and you will be getting your negative sentence. For example, so many examples are there. I'll be giving one. She is there. A very simple sentence, a very simple example I am framing here. She is there. मतलब वो वहाँ पर है. Now in this sentence there is only a helping verb. इसमें कोई main verb नहीं है, एक helping verb है, that is. So if you want to convert this sentence into the negative one, you have to add not after the helping verb. It will be she is not there. कि वो वहाँ नहीं है. I am hungry. I am hungry. There is like I am not hungry. This is the negative part. Okay. He is polite. He is not polite. He is rich. He is not rich. So these kind of sentences which only have this helping verbs. Helping verbs हैं, सिर्फ main verb नहीं है. उसमें आपको simply helping verb के बाद not add करना है. It will be converted into the negative one. Okay. Then third one is if there is helping verb and main verb. If there is helping verb as well as main verb, दोनों चीज़ें हैं. हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी है उस सेंटेंस में और मेन वर्ब भी है, तो बस कुछ नहीं करना है आपको, हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब के बीच में नॉट ऐड करना है. यू हैव टू ऐड नॉट इन बिटवीन मतलब दोनों वर्ब्स के बीच में आपको नॉट ऐड करना है. वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू. राम इज रीडिंग a book. Ram is reading a book. Ram is reading a book. This is the helping verb. And read, this is the main verb. Helping verb and main verb. Is and reading. Is और read दोनों verbs है. एक helping verb है, एक main verb है. So what you are going to do is आप इन दोनों के बीच में not add कर देंगे. Ram is not reading a book. Okay. So this is how you will be changing the sentences positive into negative. A very simple review. एक और rule रहता है, that is of special words do not or does not. This will be discussed. अभी discuss करेंगे. So I'll be giving a summary because I'll be rubbing it over. Okay. To convert positive into negative. If you have positive sentences जो कि declarative का ही part है, positive और negative, positive को negative में कैसे change करना है? If there are very simple sentences, उसमें सिर्फ आप no word add करके भी, if you are talking about something like कुछ है आपके पास, and so in these kind of sentences आप सिर्फ no word use करके उसको negative बना सकते हैं. Okay, I have friends, I have no friends. Simple. कोई friend नहीं. It is highly negative, मतलब zero quantity हो जाना. And then if you have helping verb only, second case, अगर आपके पास sentence में सिर्फ और सिर्फ helping verb है, it's very easy. Helping verb के बाद आप not add कर देंगे, it will be converted into negative sentence. If it is there कि helping verb और main verb दोनों है, verb I am talking again and again, verb मतलब action word, उसमें helping verb भी है, is am are was were तो है ही, उसके साथ कुछ main verb भी है, कुछ action भी हो रहा है. So in this case आपको दोनों के बीच में not add करना है. You have to add this negative word not. She is not playing in the garden. She is playing in the garden. She is not playing in the garden. Okay, so in this case आपको दोनों helping verb और main verb के बीच में not add करना है to make it a negative sentence. Okay, so now I am clearing this board. For the next one, the last rule. Now I will let you know कि कैसे कर रहे हैं हम. We will be doing it like आज मैं आपको सिर्फ rules बताऊंगी and tomorrow I will be doing the next rules कि आपको interrogative को या assertive को कैसे interchange करना है, and then we will be focusing on the exercises. Okay. So we are not moving too fast. Today I will be discussing only the rules so that you can cross check from your book. आप अपनी book में से भी cross check कर सकें. Fourth one is by adding special word with not, like do not. Not के साथ आप do not या does not एक आप add कर सकते हैं to make it a negative sentence. In this case, basically if you don't have the helping verb, you have a verb there in the sentence, तो आपको ये do not और does not help करेगा. For example, I play hockey. Now I play hockey. It's a very simple sentence and it has a main verb only. It doesn't have an helping verb. तो आपको इसमें helping verb की जगह पर you cannot use no or not directly here. In this case, you can also cannot add no. I no play hockey. No. So in this case, you have to add on do not or does not depending on. I के साथ do आता है and plurals के साथ भी do आता है. I and plurals do and then singulars does. Okay, simple सा rule है. So I do not play hockey. Okay, this will be the sentence. If some singular is there, singular तो I भी है, but I have told you I और plurals के साथ do आएगा. They do, I do, we do, like this. And singulars के साथ, for example, Rahul plays hockey. So it will be Rahul does not play. अब हमने जब यहाँ पे es ऐड किया है, so हम verb वाला s हटा देंगे. What happens is सिंगुलर्स के I और प्लूरल के साथ हम verb as it is यूज करते हैं, उसमें s या es का यूज नहीं करते. But when we are talking about some third person singular one, तो हमारे आप देखेंगे कि simple present tense में there will be a s added to the verb. वो s हम यहाँ does के साथ convert कर रहे हैं and does not play, फिर वो simple verb बन जाएगा. Does not play hockey. Rahul does not play hockey. सो राहुल सिंगुलर थर्ड पर्सन है, इसीलिए हमने डज यूज किया है. आई और प्लूरल्स के साथ हम डू यूज करेंगे. सो दिस वाज द केस, फोर्थ केस जिसमें आपको डू नॉट या डज नॉट ऐड करना है. ओके, so this you can cross check from here, page number 16 of your book. I know this is not clear but एक idea हो जाएगा. पेज नंबर 16 पे जो रेड बॉक्सेस दिए हैं आपको, जस्ट गो थ्रू दीज एग्जाम्पल्स एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव डिस्कस्ड. आपको मैंने अभी समझाया है. आई ड्रिंक टी, आई डू नॉट ड्रिंक टी. अमन प्लेज चेस, अमन डज नॉट प्ले चेस. ओके, सो इफ यू गो थ्रू दिस, कल हम ये भी डिस्कस करेंगे एंड देन विल बी मूविंग ऑन टू द further exercises. So I hope these rules are clear and kindly go through the book also, क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ वीडियो से समझ नहीं आएगा. You have to take reference from the book. Okay, so do revise it and this is the end of the session from my side.